Traditional bridal hairstyle, chic and glam, tutorial series for beginners. Hair crimpers are styling tools with zigzag plates that add textured waves to your hair. Part your hair down the middle from your forehead to your neck to create two sections. Crimp hair in 1 inch or 2 inches sections for 3 to 5 seconds each. You can use a crimper to create a unique, all-over style or to add volume to your hair. Continue until the entire section is crimped. Backcombing the underside of your hair and smoothing down the top results in natural-looking volume. Use your fingers to section off the hair and grasp a small section of hair in your hand. Place your brush or a fine-tooth comb about halfway between your hair's roots and your hand. Repeat this motion until there is a cushion of hair at the base of the hair section. Secure your hair with bobby pins. You can smooth out the top layer to hide the tangles. Hair is made puffy to a higher side near the crown and tied up well. To achieve this mang tikka hairstyle, start from parting your hair in the middle, secure at the back. Wear the mang tikka where you parted your hair. This bridal bun hairstyle is among the most easy, simple looks we have come across. Lightly backcomb and tease this section of hair, then flip it over to the back of your neck. Flip this backcombed section of hair over the first section. All you need to do is roll up a bun tightly and pin it up well. You can further add hair accessories in between the bun if you wish so. Create a perfectly shaped hair bun using a donut hairband for this trendy and polished look. This is a totally simple look and does not take any time to do as well. Now finish and set bridal dupatta in a perfect way. Put it exactly where we have tied bridal tikka. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe and share.